Hey guys, what's up? My name's Caitlin. Welcome to my channel. I am very excited. Today's Friday. I'm ready to start the weekend. But first, I gotta get through one last day of work. So let's just speed through it. And just like that, we're done for the day. I'm gonna go grab dinner with my parents. We're going to Grapevine. I haven't been there in a hot minute, so I'm very excited for their club sandwich. I always get that. And then we'll come back and we'll see what the weekend has to offer. I think really tonight is just gonna be like a big reset kind of cleaning vibe, but we'll see what we end up doing. See you at the restaurant. Can I get the Grapevine Club with no tomatoes?
What kind of potatoes do you like?
And just the fries?
Yeah. Any drink for you?
Just water. Ba-da-da-da-da, ba-da-da-da-da. Gonna say hi. Hi. What's up, guys? Welcome to the couch of plushies. I have one of my favorites here. It's Bullseye from Target. Anyways, I've been debating on if I should just go to sleep or if I should still be productive, but I did say I was gonna clean today, so I'm just gonna go through and do all my dishes really fast. And I have noticed when I do a time lapse, I get things done so fast because I'm not on my phone and it feels like someone's watching me. So I'm just gonna put a time lapse on and clean my kitchen, do the dishes, and do all that. And then I'll probably knock out. All right, to the time lapse. Happy Saturday. It's about 1:30 p.m. right now and I just finished lunch and getting some stuff done around the house. I'm about to leave to go to Target to make an optometry appointment. I've never done it before, so I kind of just want to go in person to make sure everything is good with my insurance and the appointment itself. And then I'm gonna go to Grocery Outlet to do some grocery shopping. I need stuff for lunch next week and dinner this weekend and the rest of next week as well. All right, let's get to it.
That's 2 pages.
Okay, thank
The
you.
insurance part, just ignore that part. It's be a habit thing.
Okay, awesome. Thank you. Thank you. Okay, so I was not planning on actually making the appointment today. I don't know what I was actually planning to do. I just kind of wanted to make an appointment for like next week, but then I realized that I couldn't make it for next week, so he said that there was an opening today at 3:40, which is in about an hour, and I took it. So I just randomly was sitting at this Target Starbucks. I ordered a Starbucks and I filled out my form and I'm just holding it around Target now and pretending to shop. I don't know what to do. Anyways, okay. Hey guys, I'm back. That took so much longer than I thought just because I actually did the eye appointment and ordered my contacts today, and I definitely wasn't planning to, but I'm so glad to get that out of the way. I'm just gonna unpack my groceries that I got. Just lay it out, see where everything goes. They don't lie when they say whenever you leave the house, you end up spending like $200. Because I mean, it's reasonable because of what I got, but oh my goodness, it's so expensive now to just like live. Oh, very exciting. I got this wicked, like, is it gonna be Glinda or Elphaba cupcake mix? It's like originally $4. I got it for $1. So yeah, I'm excited to just make that. Oops, got my milk. Instead of creamer, I got this, well, I guess it is still creamer. I got this cold foam creamer. So you just like spray it on top like whipped cream, but it's actually creamer. Health. Yummy health. Meat. And then I've been eating soy sauce. Alright, so while the pasta water starts to boil, I'm just gonna cut up these chicken sausages I got from Costco. These are one of my favorites, so I think it'll taste really good in the pasta salad. That's really all I need to prep. And then I have like feta cheese to add to it, and then I just got this truffle olive oil that I'm gonna add to it as well. I don't know if I'm gonna do the black truffle or the white truffle. I honestly don't know what the difference is, so game time decision on what I choose. But yes, I'm gonna start cutting the sausage. And this is the final product. I added some green onions on top, and this is the big batch. If I thought about it more when I was grocery shopping, I probably would have gotten cucumbers or some other veggies to put into the pasta salad. This is gonna be my meal prep for the next few days. Yeah, super easy, super simple, only like 5 ingredients, and then seasoned to taste. I'm gonna go eat dinner now, and then I'm probably just gonna pack up for tomorrow and then go to sleep. It's only 8 right now, so maybe I'll watch some Netflix or something, I don't know. Hey guys, we made it to the beach. We're at Ocean Beach, and we're gonna play some volleyball, have like a little picnic, and just hang out. It's such a nice day today. He knows. We have our pan of veggies going. We have our beef gnocchi rolls ready to be put into the pan. And Zed's Couchella set is playing right now. And dinner is served just in time for Zed to play Clarity. I've been waiting for this song all night. Hey guys, if you made it this far into the video, thank you so much for watching. I can't believe we are actually starting this journey. I've been wanting to do this for so long, and just being able to post these videos is a blessing, and just to be creative and everything. So I appreciate you guys watching, and I will see you in the next one. Oh, like, subscribe, comment, all that stuff. Yeah, okay, bye!